Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. My name is Phyllis, and if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to thank you for stopping by. And I ask that you please consider subscribing by tapping the subscribe button, click the bell, and then select all to be notified of all future videos that I upload. And for my faithful established viewers, thank you so much for your continued support in watching my videos. Here on my channel, I share DIYs, home decor, Goodwill thrift hauls, and more. In today's video, I am participating in a collaboration entitled Pretty in Pink Easter Tablescape 2020 Collaboration. And this is hosted by the lovely Marilyn of Fabulous Designs on a Budget with Marilyn. And her lovely co-host is Kimberly Davis of Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. I will leave the link to both of their channels in the description box below, along with the playlist of all participants of this collaboration. I hope you enjoy the tablescape that I have set. Thanks again for watching JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. And as always, remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. Make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. Bye-bye.